Another lovely integral to try. Now, when I look at this one, I see some algebra right away that we can do, but let's just talk about this for a second. We can't use the power rule because it's a fraction. There's no composed function, so we can't use substitution. There really isn't a product of two functions per se. I mean, there is. You can write this as 1 over x times x squared minus 4x plus 3. But that's a rational function times a polynomial, which there's really not a whole lot you can do with that, with parts. So, I mean, honestly, if you can see some algebra right away, then use algebra. So let me show you what I mean. So you can write this as taking each of these terms on top and dividing individually by that x. So in other words, if I have 2 plus 5 over 3, I can write that as 2 over 3 plus 5 over 3. So that's the rule that I'm going to use here to separate this up to make this able to be integrated. So I'm going to integrate x squared over x dx minus the integral of 4x over x dx plus the integral of 3 over x dx. Now again, I know I didn't simplify, and I know that maybe as a student you could skip a lot of steps, but if you're taking a gateway exam like my students do, don't skip steps until you are an expert. And you won't be an expert until you're done with college. Just saying. All right. So this simplifies to, what does this simplify to? The integral of x dx minus the integral of 4 dx plus, and I'm going to take out the 3, the integral of 1 over x dx. Okay, so I'm going to continue to integrate. To integrate x, that's x squared over 2 minus, I integral a constant, it's just 4 times x, plus 3, and the integral of 1 over x is a one that you just have to remember, natural log of the absolute value of x plus c. And it doesn't look like there's anything left to simplify, so I think I'm done.